Connects a mini DisplayPort device. Mini DP to VGA adapter connects a VGA monitor to the mini DisplayPort or Thunderbolt 1/2 output on your laptop or computer. This monitor adapter allows you to continue using your current VGA display without the expense of a new mini DP monitor. Crystal clear video up to 1080p. This mini DisplayPort to VGA converter supports VGA computer video resolutions up to 1920 by 1200, including 1080p, and high-definition resolutions up to 1080p, 1080p monitor. The active adapter converts both single-mode and dual-mode, DP++, DisplayPort output. Perfect applications. Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter connects your laptop to a VGA monitor in a lecture hall or conference room for a video presentation. Add a secondary monitor to the PC or laptop in your office or home workspace. Ready to use, plug-and-play operation with no software required for easy, immediate installation. Compatible with laptops that enable Mini DisplayPort, Microsoft Surface Pro 2, Microsoft Surface Pro 3, Microsoft Surface Pro 4, Surface Book, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 2, Apple MacBook Air, Surface Studio, MacBook Pro, 2011 through 2015, Asus PA329Q, Dell UltraSharp U2518D, Dell P4317Q, Dell UltraSharp U3415W. Top reviews from the United States. It works great and I would recommend it to anyone who has. I live in China, so getting this product shipped here from America was easier than I thought. It works great and I would recommend it to anyone who has a Mac and needs to convert to VGA.